The Internet of Things or IoT is influencing our lifestyle from the way we react to the way we behave. From air conditioners that we can control with our smartphone to smart cars providing the shortest route or our smartwatch which is tracking our daily activities. IoT is a giant network with connected devices. These devices gather and share data about how they are used and the environment in which they are operated. It's all done using sensors. Sensors are embedded in every physical device. It can be a mobile phone, electronic appliances, PCOS, barcode sensors, traffic lights, and almost everything that you have come across in day-to-day life. These sensors continuously emit data about the working state of the devices. But the important question is, how do they share this huge amount of data and how do we put this data to our benefit? IoT provides a common platform for all these devices to dump their data and a common language for all the devices to communicate with each other. Data is emitted from various sensors and sent to IoT platform security. IoT platform integrates the collected data from various sources. Further analytics is performed on the data and valuable information is extracted as per requirement. Finally, the result is shared with other devices for better user experience, automation, and improving efficiencies. Let us look at a scenario where IoT is doing wonders. In an AC manufacturing industry, both the manufacturing machine and the belt have sensors attached. They continuously send data regarding the machine health and the production specifics to the manufacturer to identify issues beforehand. Then, a barcode is attached to each product before leaving the belt. It contains the product code, manufacturer details, special instructions, etc. The manufacturer uses this data to identify where the product was distributed and track the retailer's inventory. Hence, the manufacturer can make the product running out of stock available. Next, these products are packed and passed to different retailers. Each retailer has a barcode reader to track the products coming from different manufacturers, manage inventory, check special instructions, and many more. The compressor of air conditioner has an embedded sensor that emits data regarding its health and temperature. This data is notarized continuously, allowing the customer care to contact us with the repair work in time. This is just one of the million scenarios. We have smart appliances, smart cars, smart homes, smart cities, where IoT is redefining our lifestyle and transforming the way we interact with technologies. The future of IT industry is huge. Business Insider Intelligence estimates that 24 billion IoT devices will be installed by 2020. IDC Technologies predicts that IoT revenue would reach around 357 billion in 2019, resulting a lot of job opportunities in the IT industry. Want to become a part of the IT revolution? Come and join with us to learn more.
Internet of Things enabling technologies. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a technology that have been developed since 2000 to this date has improved tremendously. To build IoT, there are 5 technologies come together. They are wireless sensor network, embedded systems, communication protocols, big data analytics, and cloud computing. A wireless sensor network comprises distributed devices with sensors that are used to monitor the environmental and physical conditions. A sensor network consists of several end nodes and routers and a coordinator. Weather monitoring systems, surveillance systems, health monitoring systems are some of wireless sensor networks. An embedded system is a system that has computer hardware and software embedded to perform specific tasks. It includes microcontroller and microprocessor memory, networking units, input-output units, and storage devices. It collects the data and sends it to the internet. Some examples for embedded systems are digital camera, DVD players, music players, industrial robots, wireless routers. Communication protocols form the backbone of IoT systems and enable network connectivity as well as coupling to applications. Communication protocols allow devices to exchange data over the network. IoT protocols contain four layers. These are application layer, transport layer, network layer, and link layer. IoT is a network of smart devices which collect data through sensors and exchange data. 30.7 billion devices connected in 2020 in IoT, and estimated devices that would connected in 2025 are 75.4 billion, which create trillions of data every hour. To handle such a huge data, we use big data. We manage this data by using data cleaning, data mining, processing, and visualization, which are called as big data techniques. Variety, volume, velocity are characteristics of big data, which are called as 3Vs. Variety includes different types of data. Volume refers to the amount of data. Velocity refers to speed at which data is processed. Bank transactions, e-commerce used in big basket, health and fitness data generated by IoT systems such as fitness bands are some examples for big data analytics. Cloud computing is a transformative computing paradigm that involves delivering applications and services over the Internet. Cloud computing involves provisioning of computing, networking, and storage resources on demand, and providing these resources as needed services to the users in a pay-as-you-go model. Cloud has on-demand self-service, broad network access, measured service, rapid elasticity, and resource pooling. There are three main cloud computing services as software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Automated backups, automated updates, web and mobile access from anywhere are few benefits of cloud computing is providing. In future, the IoT development process will most likely evolve from vertical to polyphonic applications. To provide seamless experience, there are many challenges that need to be addressed, including technology standards, interoperable module components supporting heterogeneous applications, designing low-cost IoT terminals with low active power, and guaranteeing end-to-end privacy and security. Thank you.
Applications of IoT. While Internet of Things equipped of multitude of domains and millions of devices with connectivity every day, here are some major domains. They are IoT in everyday life, IoT in healthcare, in smart cities, agriculture, industrial automation, and disaster management. First, we have Internet of Things in everyday life. This is probably hallmark in IoT industry. IoT can connect your Fitbits to your vehicle, to your phones, to your in-flight services, from home appliances like a AC to whole entire city. Maybe this is what Kevin Ashton meant when he spoke of his concept where every area, sensor man and machine could be connected to one another. IoT in agriculture. Digital technology such as Internet of Things is driving change in agriculture. So, what is the Internet of Things and what does it mean for farmers? On farms, IoT allows devices across a farm to measure all kinds of data remotely and provide this information to the farmer in real time. IoT devices can gather information like soil moisture, chemical application, dam levels, and livestock health, as well as monitor fences, vehicles, and weather. Information generated by IoT devices allows farmers to track farm operations and performance, make better informed decisions to improve farm productivity in yield, and respond more quickly to their conditions, saving time and money. It's putting the data behind the all-important farmer gut instinct, whether that be knowing when to check on water supply to a trough, how much fertilizer to apply to a crop, and which eve to check during lambing. IoT in smart cities. Smart cities use IoT devices such as connected sensors, lights, and meters to collect and analyze data. The cities then use this data to improve infrastructure, public utilities, and services, and more. Smart city devices work to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient while relieving the pain points related to the public safety, traffic, and environmental issues. Here are some of the most popular smart city technologies. IoT has unlimited potential. With large-scale implementation, thoughtful deployment, and careful management, IoT urban data platforms, big data, and artificial intelligence can transform our urban life into smart, sustainable, and efficient spaces. The secret to the success of all sectors, from healthcare to manufacturing and from transportation to education, is through the shared use of information. By gathering data and actuating practical solutions, our next generation smart cities will be smarter than ever before. IoT in healthcare. The rise of the Internet of Things has potentially life-saving applications within the healthcare industry. By collecting data from bedside devices, viewing patient information, and diagnosing in real time. Key benefit will be to monitor and control medical devices and sensors from patient heart monitors to temperature gauge. Caregivers can easily monitor and manage patient health every day without having to manually visit each patient. The expert can give a remote diagnosis and track medical assets, providing quality care more quickly and managing the healthcare environment more efficiently using sensors and Wi-Fi. Effective healthcare depends on speed and accuracy, so this real time can be used to create a safer and more effective environment through a single application on a mobile device by connecting with IoT. A care device has certain parameters that considered safe. Once one of them is breached, sensor immediately relays this message via security gateway through cloud. The cloud then passes a remote signal to a smart device that's monitored by either a nurse or a caretaker at home.